I'm Rod Haarberg, and president of Hawkins Ag. We're here at the National Farm Machinery Show featuring the planter NForcer. So there's some really very unique features about the planter NForcer. You know, generally it's about precision placement of fertilizers in and around the seed zone, but it offers some unique adjustments. So let me start from the front. You know, first of all, typically today you would get a very busy front of row unit with 2x2 fertilizers, openers, a variety of attachments, all of which become cluttered and can impact the performance of the planter row, all just through forces lifting and moving the planter, ultimately affecting the seed to soil contact. With the planter NForcer, we're allowing you to move in the clear. And so we can attach to a hard spot in two places on the planter and move the coulter to the rear. With this, we don't impact the performance of the row. Now, also unique to this is you aren't limited to a single product, you aren't limited to a certain type of fertilizer, but instead we give you the adjustment that's required to maybe move away from your seed trench, maybe move closer. All said, we have an 8-inch band of adjustment that we can put a variety of fertilizers or other inputs down. That's achieved through 3 adjustment points on the Coulter NForcer. We also have pneumatic downforce, so we're just bringing the air pressures off your planter, the compressors, giving you a smooth and consistent ride on the rear of the planter row unit without impacting the planter itself. So when all said and done, we can take this unit, really mount 1 per row, even 2 per row if you want double spacings, on about any brand of planter and about any configuration, and ultimately change the way you put your starter fertilizers down and cleaning it up, bringing it back to the back.